Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing well. I definitely have missed you and thought about you guys a lot this last week with all that's going on around us. While we can't be together in person, I am thankful for technology that allows us to be able to see each other's faces. And so I hope that you will join me on Tuesday during your class time or during the alternate class time that I have your particular course. Get together in there and talk a little bit about what's going to go on with our virtual learning environment, hopefully calm some of your fears. But definitely we will get through this together, and it will definitely be a learning experience for all of us that are involved. I wanted to make sure that you knew how to get onto a conference, so all that you need to do is go into your course. Down here on the left-hand side, you'll come over here to conferences and you'll click on conferences. I do have my courses linked. So in this case, I have pre-calculus first and fourth hour. So you should be able to see both of those. So if you want to join fourth hour instead of first or whatever, you could definitely do that. If you can join your particular hour, that would be great. That would be preferred, but you're welcome to join either one. So what will happen is I will start the conference and then you should be able to join in. It'll ask you to do an audio check. You can add the video in, and then you will be able to talk to anyone in the class, and we'll do a few things in there. So that's really all you have to do. I do plan on recording many of these conferences that we'll have. And so once those are done, those will show up in this completed section. It does take a little bit of time after they're completed, after they're done taping, to actually record them. But just make sure you recognize those two bars. So that's all it is to it. I hope to see you guys virtually on Tuesday.